I have to add on to something. I just did this little piece about up and down, heads and tails, queen, dog, card, and we all know that the upside down of the card is the reflection of the same card. Well, number 43 that says tail, and number 19, which is E and N inside of queen, which is the electronic cross on man's back, okay, stands possibly for the 19th president. The letter S, 19, 21, 23, 25, 27. But if it's heads or tails, and tail in French is QUE for number 43, and the 43rd president would be Barack Obama. That means heads or tails, says the 34th president, is the tail of the head of Barack Obama. That means JFK, or the real 34th president, but I think it's JFK, and Barack Obama are the same people. I'd like to know if there's anybody out there that can tell me what kind of relationship there is with the Kennedy family and Barack Obama. Barack Obama went to visit the 50th anniversary of himself. Barack Obama is 52. That anniversary was 50. How old would he have been, JFK? I'd like to know, because I think Barack Obama is JFK. If there's a reality to the reptilian world, then this is part of one of the realities. Raphael 7286 in the constellation of Pegasus. Why don't we check out what's going on in the constellation of Pegasus? Why don't we actually go and take a look? Do you know we can see the stars during the day, but not where we are, because they won't let us see? And Maldek, I don't think Maldek ever disappeared. I just think we're the continuation of that era. I don't think the planet ever disappeared. Who, hundreds of thousands of years ago, can ever say it disappeared when maybe we're it? And if it did disappear, then they're controlling of everything, because they learned to control the weather in Maldek. Raphael 7286 in the constellation of Pegasus. Another thing, the number 210 inside the roulette wheel, using the letter groups of C, F, and I, okay, which says see if, IFC, it says see if you could. So that area, in the number 3 area, it would be number 66. So the woman goes in the number 3 area for creation. Then in the next area, it's number 78. 78 and 66 is 72, 144. Now the last one is 90, 194. That's not right. I have to add it up here. 58, 62, 66 plus 78 plus 90. 8 and 6 is 14, and 1 is 10, is 17, and 6, 234. If you go into the area of 3, 6, 9, 6 and 8 is 14, 1, 10, 17, 23, 2, 3, and 4, this says jail inside of that area. You want to go to the next area? Okay, we're going to go maybe on the bottom over here. On the bottom over here, okay, it becomes 90, because this one joins it. It becomes 90, 86, 82. 82 and 86 and 90. It equals to 168, 258. This one ends up showing you 258, the center of your telephone. But I think there's one of them that adds up to 210. I'm not sure what it is, but one of them adds up to 210. And that 210 is 105, and 105 are count from 1 all the way to 14 equals to 105, and 105 would be 2 suits. Black, 105, red, 105. Excuse me, each suit is 105. So black times 2 suits, 2 times 105 equals to 210, and then 2 more suits times 105 equals to 210. It would equal to 420. This word over here in French says cat, and this one says 20, but the relationship of this says 80. This is 80 because in French it sounds like 4 times 20. And since 0 is 1 in 5, 15, which makes 6, 4, 2, 6. Okay, which would be the 4 parts of the dog pound. Well, I'm not even going to get into that right now. But at the end of this over here, if it's 15, 15 becomes 1 times 5, 1 plus 5 becomes 11. So if this area becomes 11, this becomes 431. 431 equals to 124. 124 is inside the cat house. 426, okay, I didn't want to say it that way. I didn't want to... I'm tired. Okay, that's it. I told you what I had to say. Thank you very much. I'm so sorry. And, okay. I was going to wear it for 13 days, but I didn't like putting it on and taking it off. And only one person noticed anyways. And I mentioned it at the beginning when I put on this shirt that I'm not taking it off for 2 weeks. I was going to put it on every single day. And, no, how can it smell? I just took it out of the washer the other day. Can't smell, I only put it on. Anyways, whatever. Okay, forget it. Thank you for watching.